Welcome back to my channel. Today we talk about truck accident lawyers. A personal injury lawyer is a lawyer who provides legal services to those who claim to have been injured, physically or psychologically, as a result of negligence of another person, company, government agency, or any entity. What does a truck accident lawyer do? A truck accident lawyer is a type of personal injury lawyer that specializes in truck accident cases. They represent those who have been injured by the negligence of another during a truck accident. If you are considering seeking the service of a lawyer, it's important to understand exactly what a truck accident lawyer does. Truck accident lawyers specialize in tort law. Truck accident lawyers work in tort law. In the context of truck accidents, according to Gesta, a tort is a private or civil wrong or injury that may be remedied through compensation for damages. When someone is negligent in a truck accident and it leads to injuries, the injured party can seek compensation from the negligent party for their losses. The main point of tort law is to make whole again the injured party. So, truck accident lawyers work with injury victims to get them compensation for the damages they've suffered. Damages that truck accident lawyers help victims receive include asterisk, medical expenses, both current and future, asterisk, lost wages, asterisk, loss of earning capacity, asterisk, vehicle damage, asterisk, emotional distress, asterisk, physical pain and suffering, asterisk, wrongful death. Personal injury lawyers can work on a variety of other types of cases, including car accidents, bicycle accidents, bus accidents, dog bites, animal attacks, premises liability slip and fall accidents, medical malpractice, and wrongful death. So, truck accident lawyers are personal injury lawyers that work specifically on truck accident cases. What exactly a truck accident lawyer does? There is a lot that goes into everything that a truck accident lawyer does for their clients, although any injury accident can be complicated. Truck accidents are especially legally complex. There can be multiple parties responsible for a truck accident, and thus various insurance companies to file claims with. Truck accident lawyers will handle truck accident cases from start to finish, which may sometimes end in trial. Here are some of the specific things a truck accident will do when working on a case. Investigating truck accident cases. When a potential client comes to a truck accident lawyer with their case, the lawyer will examine the details and determine whether or not the case is strong and valid. Since most truck accident lawyers work on contingency, they will want to make sure a case has a good chance of winning before taking it on. Contingency means the lawyer only gets paid if they win the client a settlement or award. Their pay is contingent on whether or not they win money and how much money they win. Gathering evidence for claim. Once a truck accident lawyer decides to take on a client's case, they will begin investigating. This may include asterisk, going to the scene of the truck accident, asterisk, looking over pictures from the accident scene or getting a photographer to take pictures, asterisk, contacting witnesses and getting statements, reviewing camera footage, asterisk, evaluating vehicle damage, asterisk, looking over the client's medical reports and expenses. The lawyer will start building a case based on the client's total damages and other details of the accident. Sending demand letters. After investigating a truck accident, the lawyer might send a demand letter to the at-fault party's insurance company. The demand letter will outline the facts of the collision and demand a specific amount of compensation for the victim's damages. Negotiating with the insurance companies. Negotiation is often one of the most valuable parts of having a truck accident lawyer. The at-fault parties' insurance companies often try to contact the truck accident victim soon after the crash, and this can be risky. Insurance companies are skilled at finding ways to pay less on a truck accident claim, and they will usually offer a lowball settlement if they offer anything at all. Most injury victims will not know how to negotiate or protect their legal rights when communicating with the insurance companies. Experienced truck accident lawyers negotiate and communicate with insurance companies all the time. A truck accident lawyer will look over the details of the insurance policy, accurately account for all of the victim's damages, and handle all communication with the insurance companies. They will work to negotiate for a settlement that is actually fair and covers the victim's damages. Preparing complaints most of the time. A truck accident lawyer is able to negotiate a satisfactory settlement with the insurance company. The case ends there, and the injury victim receives their settlement. However, if the insurance company will not negotiate, the truck accident lawyer might send a complaint to the at-fault party. The complaint is one of the first documents filed in a truck accident lawsuit. After the complaint has been sent, the at-fault party typically has 30 days to answer it. Initiating discovery once the lawsuit has been filed. A truck accident lawyer will begin preparing a case as if it is going to trial. A lot of truck accident cases still settle somewhere before they actually go to court, but an experienced lawyer will know to be prepared for anything. To prepare for the discovery phase of the lawsuit, a truck accident lawyer will gather evidence, research relevant case law, and begin forming legal theories related to the accident. They may also interview and depose witnesses, draft pleadings, and prepare a discovery requests. Providing representation at trial. If a truck accident case does go all the way to trial, a truck accident lawyer will represent their client in court. An experienced truck accident lawyer will be familiar with each process involved in the trial process. Other skills a truck accident lawyer must have. Everything a truck accident lawyer does often involves strict deadlines, lots of research, and regular communication with their injured clients. They must also have excellent speaking, negotiation, and time management skills to see success in their cases. Although the job can be demanding, good truck accident lawyers love what they do because it allows them to help victims of truck accidents get the money they need and deserve. Truck accident lawyer, tractor-trailer injury attorneys. We've helped thousands of customers seeking the compensation they deserve. No win, no fee * seek justice with confidence. Our expert team is on hand 7 days a week. Call us today. Claims Management Company, Personal Injury Experts, UK-based experts, Compensation Calculator. How much are most truck accident settlements? The average truck accident settlement amount is $42,909.88, which includes cases where the defendant was operating a tractor-trailer or other heavy commercial truck. How long do most accident settlements take? In some cases, a settlement may be reached relatively quickly, within a matter of weeks or a few months. However, in more complex cases where there are disputes over liability, damages, or insurance coverage, it can take several months or even years to reach a fair settlement. How much is a personal injury settlement worth? The settlement value of a variable payout contract is the amount of contract value remaining based on whether it was bought or sold. The difference between the price at which the contract was bought or sold and the settlement value determines the profit or loss excluding any applicable exchange fees. How long after a claim settlement do I get paid? After your claim has settled, you should receive your compensation between 14 to 21 days. This depends on if your claim was settled in or out of court. What are the chances of getting a settlement? In fact, industry observers estimate that more than 95% of cases end in settlement, not trial. What happens when an accident claim goes to court? Once the judge has heard all the evidence from both sides, he or she will then provide their judgment. Do I need a solicitor for a settlement agreement? Without advice from a solicitor, the settlement agreement isn't valid. The law regulates settlement agreements and requires that you have independent advice on the terms and their effect, and the effect in your ability to pursue claims in employment. What is considered a good settlement? A good settlement offer should not only be able to cover your hospital bills and legal fees, but it should also be equivalent to close to a year's worth of your current wages, especially in cases where your injuries may be permanent or cause some kind of disability. Do you pay tax on a settlement agreement? Usually, a settlement agreement will say that you will be paid as normal up to the termination date. These wages are due to you as part of your earnings, and so they will be taxed in the normal way. Average semi-truck accident settlement, how much is it? Commercial trucks transporting property with a gross vehicle weight rating of 10,001 or more. Pounds minimum of $750,000 liability insurance. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more informative videos.